Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and in this video we're continuing with the part 3 of our gobo fight game on Scratch, which is a 2-player game, and we have already covered the part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched that till now, so please go and then continue with the part 3. And we are watching Rise Up with Abhishek. So far what we have covered is we have a start button, and then we have our 2 players. They are both are able to move, and they are both are able to shoot. And now what we want a life part, means their life must also be there, right? So for that we have to I will code at the backdrop, means this all code should run in the backend. So we will create 2 variables, player 1's life, or we can say yellow's life. And second will be purple's life. We can arrange them in the order, and we can just right click on these variables and set it to large it out. So now whenever the green fact will be clicked, the both variable will be 100, means the player life will be 100, both players 100, and bottom 2 it will be 100. Now player 1, we'll code out the player 1. When this clicked, forever loop, if we are touching the player bullet 2, if we will touch bullet 2, then it will change the variable yellow's life by 10, minus 10. It will decrease that variable by minus 10. So now if you see, now whenever the bullet is touching the yellow player, the life is decreasing. Same we have to done for the purple. We have coded for it. Now if the bullet is touching purple, so the life is decreasing, and it is working perfect. That's what we want. So now when the life will be lesser than 0, so it will be like out. So forever loop, we will use forever loop. If we have to add a condition. If the purple's life is smaller than 10, means it will be 1. If it is smaller than 10, then it should just broadcast a simple message. Yellow win. And if this is done with the yellow, if yellow's life is greater than 10, then broadcast another message, purple win. Now we'll create a new sprite which will be decision, or we can say ending. For this we will add the text, and it will be of a dark shade. Black. Right, nice. We will add another with purple wind, with the name purple wind. And now we have to code for it. So the code is simple. When I receive purple wind, then show and switch costume to costume 2, and if it receives the yellow wind, then switch to costume 1, and whenever the green flag will be clicked, hidden. So we have completed with the game. So we have completed our gobo fight game now, guys. I hope you understand everything properly, and I don't think that you may have any query. If you have, so you can ask in the comments, or if you want to ask personally, so you can just mail me on my mail, rise.up.little.bro@gmail.com. So bye bye, see you soon in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye.